This is Troy with I Go Salons, and in today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up ads for a lash extension company. So, for anyone who's providing a local lash extension service, this video is for you. By the way, if you need my personal help with setting up your ads, I do have coaching as well as one-off coaching calls. You can click the link in the description of this video if you'd like to sign up for that. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a DM at iGrowSalons on Instagram. So let's jump in. So the first thing you do is head over to the Facebook Ads Manager over at business.facebook.com. Then we're going to click Create. So you have two options, or I like to use two options when running ads for anything local. So we're trying to generate leads essentially. So I either do lead generation or messages. Messages is where they'll respond to you in Facebook Messenger or Instagram Direct, depending on where you place your ads. You also have the option to do a lead form directly on Facebook. So if they see your ad and they click your call to action button or they respond to the ad, it'll pop up a form where they leave their name, phone number, email, whatever information you require. That information will then be forwarded to you. Then you can follow with them that way. For this example, we'll be using messages. I personally think the quality of people who respond to messenger ads is a lot better. So you select messenger, local lashes. You can name your campaign whatever you like. Name your ad set whatever you like. I'll just put X. If I do need to change this, we'll come in and change it later. So this is going to be super simple. It's literally going to be an ad to pretty much every woman in your city that is interested in lashes, or we would do every woman in your city in general. So let's see. So if you're going to do multiple images, I would turn campaign budget optimization on so it can, essentially pick the best one and feed the entire budget into that working ad. I'm not going to be covering ads. That's not that important. Just do like the pictures of your work. Use that as your ad. Or if you're on Instagram, whatever content you're posting on your Instagram, use that as your actual ads. Budget, it can be as small as or as high as you like. Whatever you're comfortable with spending. If you're not comfortable with spending too much money, I would do like $5 to $10 per day for the budget. So next we're going to go to the ad set. So to get to the ad set, you click here at the top. It's cut off on my screen, but it's at the very top where it says one ad set, or on the left side, this first X with the 4 squares next to it. So our message destination is going to be Messenger. This is only on Facebook. If we decide to run them on Instagram, we would make our message destination Instagram Direct. So we're going Messenger. And since I'm in Dallas, I'm going to use Dallas as an example. So for our location, we want to come in here, Dallas. I like to do like a 25-mile radius, and that's there by default. If your deal is really good and you think people are willing to travel further out, maybe try 30, 40 miles. We've ran local ads where we had people, drive an hour out to come and visit us. So we're going to leave age wide open, 18 to 65, and we're going to go women. Now this right here is good enough. So we have a potential audience of 2.8 million people. So what Facebook is going to do is figure out who to serve your ad to based on the type of person that's responding to your ad. So anyone who's stopping and reading your caption, or stopping and clicking, liking, commenting, all of those people have something in common. So Facebook is going to, based on your copy, so the text in your ad and the image or video in your ad, Facebook is going to figure out who to show your ad to. You just have to give it a little bit of time, especially if we're doing a $5 to $10 per day budget. Also keep in mind the price of your service and what you're willing to spend to get that person into your business. So if it's $100 service and there's $90 of profit, maybe be willing to spend $40, $50 to get that person into your chair, especially if they're likely to rebook with you. It's okay to even break even up front for service-based stuff, especially if the majority of your clients come back to you. So you break even up front, if the service is $90 and you spend $90 on ads to get one client, you break even. But when they come, the second, third, fourth, fifth time, that's when you're, profitable. But you should be profitable up front anyway. But keep that in mind. If this audience is too big for you and you want to, narrow this down, you can do every female in your city, 18 through 65, that has an interest in lashes. Let's see. We could do long lashes. Okay, so now we have long lashes. We could do suggestions and get other related interests, eyelashes, eyelash extensions. So here's a very good set of interests to use. This gives us an audience size of 400,000, which is more than enough people. So actually, I would opt for going for this targeting versus going for everyone. Once you get this working, where we're using these 3 interests, then you maybe want to start a new campaign and just target everyone in your city. And we're gonna do manual placements, but we don't want Instagram. If you want to set up ads for Instagram, run them separately. So one campaign for Facebook, one campaign for Instagram. Keep scrolling. So now we're going to go to the ad level. So that's this X right here, or at the top where it says 1 ad. So again, I'm not going to cover copy. Copy is super simple for service-based stuff. Hey ladies, do you need lash extensions? Come visit our business. We offer the best lashes in Dallas. Super simple stuff. As far as the ad image or video, just show a picture of your work. What I want to show you is this part. So you're going to have to edit this, the message template. So you can leave the questions how they are, or you can plug in any question that's specific to your business, or any questions that you're constantly getting from people who are DMing you or messaging you. So fill that in here, and that way when they do click on the response button to the ad, they'll already kind of be filtered, because they'll already say, hey, can I book an appointment? I'm interested, tell me more. So when you do get to your phone or you do get to your messenger, you already know what they're interested in. So these are pretty good. How much does this cost? I'm interested in more. Can I book? So I would actually leave these. If yours are pre-filled this way, I would leave these, save and finish. Then turn on this so you can actually see your ad. So once you have your ad image and copy uploaded, you will add your copy here in the primary text. For your headline, you do something like this, Lash extensions, DFW. So that means Dallas Fort Worth. So, just put whatever your city is. Then for the description, book today. Super simple stuff. By the way, if you need my personal help with setting up your ads, I do offer coaching. If you'd like more information about that, send me a DM on Instagram at @AgroSalons. If you'd like to sign up for my coaching, you can go ahead and click the link in the description of this video. If you found this video helpfully useful, give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.